Today's episode is a little challenge for you. Try to catch every word we use.
Some of them might surprise you.
Welcome to Leo and Anna English. I'm Leo.
And I'm Anna. Ready? Let's go.
Okay, Anna, let's start with a simple question. What did you do this morning?
I woke up late again.
Classic Anna.
I know. But here's the thing. I was running late, so I had to rush.
Running late. Did you catch that?
Oh, that's our first one.
Right. Running late means you are late or you will be late very soon.
Like, time is running out.
Exactly. Not running with your legs.
I learned that the hard way. My first week at work, my boss called. She said, "Are you running late?" I said, "No, I'm in a taxi."
Oh, no.
She meant, "Are you going to be late?" I thought she was asking if I was running.
That's a very Anna story.
It really is. So embarrassing.
Okay, so running late. Keep that one. Now another word, a very small word. Just.
Just? That's so common.
Right, but do you know all the ways to use it?
I just got home, like a short time ago.
Yes, just can mean a very short time ago.
What else?
It can also mean only, like I just want a cup of coffee.
Oh, so it means only coffee, nothing else.
Exactly. And it can make a request softer. Can you just help me for a second?
I use that one all the time. It sounds less pushy, right?
Right. More polite, more casual. 3 meanings, 1 small word.
Just is doing a lot of work.
Oh, it really is.
Okay, my turn. Here's one I love. Figure out.
Oh, good one.
I use this one every day now. Like, I can't figure out this problem.
Figure out means to find the answer or to understand something after thinking hard.
Like solving a puzzle in your head.
Yes, and it works for big things too. I'm trying to figure out my future.
That one hits different.
A little too real, Anna.
What? It's true.
Okay. So we have 3 words so far. Running late, just, and figure out.
Let's keep going.
Next one, and this is a big one, the word get.
Oh no, get has so many meanings.
I know, that's why it's so important.
Where do we even start?
Let's start with the most common ones. Get can mean receive, like I got a message from my mom.
Easy. What else?
Get can mean understand. Do you get it? Means do you understand?
Oh, I use that one a lot. I don't get it. I said that in class once. My teacher looked so confused.
Why?
She thought I meant I didn't receive something.
Right. Context is everything.
Yes, so get for understand, get for receive.
And get can mean become. It's getting dark. I'm getting tired.
Oh, wow. So getting there means becoming.
Exactly. Dark is coming. Tired is coming.
That is such a useful pattern.
Right. Get is like a Swiss Army knife.
Oh, what?
A Swiss Army knife. It has many tools inside. One small thing, many uses.
Oh, I like that. Get is the Swiss Army knife of English.
Put that on a t-shirt.
Okay, listeners, are you still catching everything?
This is your challenge, remember?
Don't worry if you missed something. That's why we go slowly. Just listen again.
Okay, let's move to the next one. This one sounds simple but confuses a lot of people.
Which one?
The word mind.
Mind? Like your brain?
Sometimes, but also as a verb. Do you mind if I sit here?
Oh, that means, is it okay?
Yes, it's asking, is it okay, very politely.
And if someone says, I don't mind,
It means it's okay with me, no problem.
but wait, never mind is different, right?
Yes, never mind means forget it or it doesn't matter.
So 3 meanings again.
English loves doing that.
It really does.
Here's a quick story about mind. My first trip to a coffee shop abroad. The person behind me said, "Do you mind?" I said, "Mind what?" I had no idea what they were asking.
What did they want?
They just wanted to get past me. They were asking, "Can I pass? Is that okay?"
Oh, so polite, but so confusing.
For about 3 seconds, I just stood there.
Oh, I can picture that.
So, mind as a verb, remember that one.
Okay, we have running late, just, figure out, get, and mind.
5 words, all from normal daily life.
And all of them have more than one meaning,
That's what makes English tricky, right?
but also interesting.
Okay, let's take a breath here.
If you're enjoying this episode, do us a favor. Hit like, it tells us you're here with us.
And follow Leo and Anna English for more like this.
We'll be right back with more everyday words. Don't go anywhere.
Okay, we're back. How are you doing out there?
Still catching the words?
I hope so. Let's keep going.
This next one is my favorite, I think. The word actually.
Oh, actually is so useful.
Right? You can use it to correct something. Like, I actually live in the city, not the village.
It adds a little surprise.
Or you can use it to be polite when you disagree. Actually, I think it works a different way.
Softer than just saying, no, you're wrong.
Exactly. It's like a soft cover for the truth.
I love that. A soft cover for the truth.
Thank you. I made that up just now.
Okay, here's one more meaning for actually. You can use it when something surprises you. I actually enjoyed that movie. I didn't expect to.
Yes, like you're surprised by your own feelings.
It's such a small word, but it changes the whole tone.
Native speakers use it all the time. Once you notice it, you'll hear it everywhere.
And then you can start using it too.
Okay, next word. This one is really practical.
Tell me.
Sort out.
Oh yes, phrasal verb. Very British, very common.
Sort out means to fix a problem or organize something.
Like, I need to sort out my schedule.
Or, can you help me sort this out?
It's casual, but very natural.
I heard this word at work and had no idea. My colleague said, "Don't worry, I'll sort it out." I thought sort out meant to put things in order.
Well, it can mean that too.
Oh, great. Another word with two meanings.
Welcome to English.
But mostly it means to solve or fix something.
Sort it out. You'll hear this a lot.
Okay, here's a funny one. Ready?
Ready.
Hang on.
Oh, this one trips people up.
Yes, because hang on can mean a few things. First, it means wait a moment, like, hang on, I'll be right there.
Super common. You hear it on the phone a lot.
But it can also mean hold something. Hang on tight, like, don't let go.
And sometimes it means, wait, let me think. Like you're pausing to process something. Hang on, that doesn't sound right.
Oh, yes, like a mini pause to think again.
3 uses, all very natural.
I remember when I first heard hang on the phone, the person said, "Can you hang on for a second?" I said, "Hang on to what?"
Wait, you really did that?
I really did, and there was a long silence.
Poor Anna.
I was so confused. I looked at my phone like maybe there was something to grab onto.
That image is everything.
But now I use hang on all the time.
It just becomes natural after a while.
It does. Okay, let's do one more big word.
I think we should talk about pick up.
Oh, pick up. That's a great one.
So pick up can mean to lift something from the floor. Like, can you pick that up for me?
Simple, right? But there's more.
Pick up can also mean to collect someone. I'll pick you up at 7.
Like, I'll come get you in my car.
And pick up can mean to learn something naturally. I picked up some Spanish on my trip.
Oh, that's a beautiful meaning. You didn't study, you just heard it and learned it.
Exactly, like picking up a sound, not a book.
Small changes are like small seeds, right? You don't notice you're learning until one day you are.
That's actually a great way to think about it. You've been picking up English this whole episode.
And maybe you didn't even notice.
That's how it works. No pressure, just listening.
So let's recap everything from today.
Running late, you're going to be late.
Just, recently, only, or to soften a request.
Figure out, find the answer, or understand something.
Get, receive, understand, or become.
Mind, to ask if something is okay or it doesn't matter.
Actually, to correct, to soften, or to show surprise.
Sort out, to fix or organize something.
Hang on, wait, hold, or pause to think.
And pick up, lift, collect, or learn naturally.
9 words, all from real conversations.
And you heard them all today in context.
That's the best way to learn, honestly.
Not a list on paper, real sentences, real stories.
Real embarrassing moments from Anna.
Those are the best ones.
Okay, listeners, here is your takeaway for today.
Pick one word from this list.
Just one. Don't try to use all 9 today.
Use it 3 times this week, in a sentence.
Write it down. Say it out loud. Try it.
Small steps, every day.
Words are just tools. The more you use them, the better you get.
And if you want more tools, you know where to find us.
Follow Leo and Anna English and come back next time.
We'll be here, same place, more words.
Take care, everyone.
See you next episode.